Hello everybody, this is Ricardo Mello and I'm here to show you some of the new features related to the widgets. First, you need the latest build available in our development channel. So go to our website, wakanda.org, click in our download Wakanda button. You're going to arrive at the page downloads, scroll down a little bit. You're going to see the search and development area. In that area, you have the link for our development channel. Click in that link and you are going to choose between Windows, Mac or Linux. My machine is a Mac. I'm going to click on the Mac and now I have the whole list of builds almost every day. So at Wakanda we are building every day our studio and our server, and you can just grab the latest zip and start to use widgets, the new architecture. So let's go to work. Once you have downloaded the latest build from our development channel, you're going to notice that in the studio you have a new icon called widgets. This is actually a link to the folder Documents Wakanda Widgets. All your widgets should be located in that folder. So again, Documents Wakanda Widgets. So to create a new widget, you just right click, New Custom Widget, you give it a name, you create, and the folder containing all the elements that you need to create a blank widget in the studio is done for you. Now let's import a widget. Let's say that someone sent you a widget, or maybe you got that widget from GitHub and you put everything in your download folder. So if I go to downloads, I see that someone sent me, or I got from GitHub, a QR code widget. I'm going to copy that widget and I'm going to go to Documents, Wakanda, Widgets. As you see, I have the latest one that I just created, and I'm going to paste this QR code. Once I paste, I'm going to go back to Wakanda and my QR code is already there. As you will see it, the files are a little, the basic structure is the same, but this QR code also created a new folder called QR Code.js, which probably is importing some third-party libraries. And you can do that. You can create as many folders as many files you want. You just need to reference them in the package.json. So once you've done that, the import is basically copying a folder to Documents Wakanda widget. Now I have two widgets, QR and test. Let's use them. So I'm going to open the page widget.test. As you're going to see, if I scroll down, I'm going to see that now I have a place for custom widgets. And I have my two widgets there. I'm going to start with test. I'm going to drag into my page. As you can see, it is a blank widget. I can do anything I will do with a regular widget. I can change the color of my widget. I can click and resize my widget. I can move the widget. I'll save, I'll run, and there we go. My widget is there. Now let's touch the other widget, which is the QR code. I'm going to drop the QR code right here. Okay, the QR code is just a gray widget. The developer that developed that code this widget decided that it needs to be a gray background, and I have a content and a content source. So which means that I can connect this widget to bind to another source. But at this moment, just to be quick, I'm going to just create a QR code that says that wakanda.org. There we go. My widget is rendered. I save. I run, and now I have a QR code for wakanda.org and a a red widget that I just created. That's how you import and you create a widget in Wakanda.